one thing you'll notice is that every time we run this app, as it is right now, we always go through the same process, which is we have the splash screen, and then a few seconds later we go to log in or log out, log in or create account, right? Which is fine because we were putting this together. But at some point, obviously, if you ship this app and people are using this app, it will be annoying to always having to go through the process of logging in. And there is a way that allows us to get rid of this whole process of going through these screens that are not needed anymore, because we have created accounts and we just want to go straight to home screen. Okay, so what we can do now is let's go to our splash screen. Let's see, like this, and we can put an if statement. But where is that going to be? So if we go back to where we have our launched effect there, and after our delay right here, we see we have this to do. Actually, check if there is a Facebook, not Facebook, I should say Firebase. If there's a Firebase user, if so, take them to home screen, otherwise to log in. All right, so how do we check if there's a Firebase user? Well, the beauty here is that because Firebase, we have added Firebase to our project, we have a way to get the Firebase auth object, right, to check things out. So I'm going to say if statement, put an if statement. I'm going to say if Firebase auth, get that one there, that get instance, and I can say look for the current user. Look at that, and email is null or empty, right? Then if that's the case, we're going to go to nav controller. We're going to use nav controller, that is, and go to navigate. We're going to get the right one. We want the route. You can't quite see there. Let's see the route one at the bottom there. Okay, and I'm going to say readers screen. Let's go to login screen.name. Okay, and we'll have to unwrap this. It's fine. Okay, there it is. Else, well, we know that there is indeed a user already logged in. We're just going to go ahead and say nav controller again, navigate. Let's get the correct one, otherwise we'll run into issues. Yes, I repeat myself here, it's crucial. And I'm going to say readers screen again. We're going to go to reader home screen, like this. Just this piece of code is going to change everything. All right, so I have a problem here, is that I still have this navigate to login screen. So we just need to get out of here because we don't need that. So now what is going to happen, we're still going to have this animation happening, but if we have a user, then it's going to go straight to reader home instead of going to these screens here. All right, let's go ahead and run once again. Okay, and we should go straight to home like that. All right, so there we go. So this is how we bypass these two screens so that users don't have to go through this process again if they indeed already have created an account and they have logged in.